This is the high-definition monocular SMISE with a powerful 12x magnification and 50mm lens. It has protection for the harshest terrains. It's waterproof, fog-proof, shockproof, and much more. The kit includes the SMISE Monocular, carrying bag, strap for safely carrying your SMISE around. And the kit also includes the smartphone holder and convenient microfiber cleaning cloth. The optical lens has crystal clear visibility and will allow you to see targets 12 times closer. Also, take beautiful photos with the smartphone holder included in the set. This device has a large focus knob, so you can simply and easily zoom, even when wearing gloves and need to quick focus on a bird or other wildlife. With the carrying bag, you can easily carry it with you on bird watching, wildlife, hiking, fishing, hunting, and all your outdoor adventures.